Gadinsider will walk you through the steps of completing the first hit in Gray Zone Warfare. Gray Zone Warfare has undoubtedly been a huge success. It topped the Steam rankings and sold almost 500,000 copies, exceeding almost everyone's expectations. First hit in the Gray Zone Handshake offers a task called Warfare. Similar to earlier missions in Ban PA, the user's primary objective here is to kill adversaries in a certain region. Insurgents are undermining the military's authority, which cannot be tolerated because residents rely on them for their well-being. Gadinsider will walk the users through the steps of completing the first hit in Gray Zone Warfare. First hit in the Gray Zone Warfare Guide. In Handshake First Strike in Gray Zone Warfare, you must assassinate the insurgent criminal commander in Nam Tavan. As with the last operation, you can accomplish the game in total stealth or with all guns blazing. Head to Nam Tavan. Nam Tavan Township is one of the game's most populous settlements and contains a variety of missions. The nearest landing zone to this area is Bravo 2, so get ready, get a ride, and head over to the assigned area. Identify the target. Your major goal in this mission is to apprehend the renowned criminal leader who is running wild in the Nam Tavan Township. You may recognize him based on his looks. He will wear a crimson beret and gold-rimmed sunglasses, and he will constantly be holding a black Alaska 47. Locate and eliminate the target. The target is mostly visible near the township's marketplace. Go to this location of interest and look for the leader. If you discover him, make sure you hide in a quiet location and take your shot. You will be confronted with intense enemy fire, so make sure you have enough natural cover to work with. Once you have eliminated the boss, your duty will be considered accomplished and you will be prepared for extraction. Eliminate any targets in your path before returning to the Bravo 2 LZ. Board the helicopter and return to Handshake to debrief and receive your well-earned prizes. In Gray Zone Warfare, you can obtain the following rewards for completing the first hit. Still Helmet, $4,500 cash in-game, 400 XP. Reputation points for Handshake.